Hey guys, we have something so exciting today. Today I am unbagging Splendies. If you do not know what Splendies is a monthly underwear subscription. You get 3 pairs of super amazing, comfortable, cute, classy, chic underwear for $16.99 a month, so super affordable. Splendies is size inclusive. They offer sizes small through 4X, and if you have not checked them out on all of their socials, go do so. They are so amazing. They use real everyday women as their models. All that said, let's get into this package and see what they sent me. Alright, and then it comes all packaged up so pretty. I absolutely love that. I love the attention to detail. Gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, right on top we have this burgundy pair. It's more of like a cranberry, I guess, color. And look at the little crisscross pattern here in the front. And then it's got the lace edging here, and it's a full back brief. But I love when you can find a brief that has that little like something extra that makes you feel all cute and everything, and that definitely has it. And look at this stretch. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so comfortable. The next pair is so pretty. Oh my goodness, we have got, looks like a pair of Cheekies, and they have orange and peach flowers all over them, and they've got the lace overlapping right here, and then they've got some right here on the edge. The same beautiful stretchy comfort in this pair as well. Absolutely amazing. These colors are gorgeous and perfect for spring. I love the contrast of the navy and the peach. Oh my goodness, I think these may be my favorite. I don't know, I love them all, but this one is so cute. Looks like these are hipsters, and they have books all over them. Is that not so cute? Again, you've got that stretchy comfort. It's got a little lace detail around the legs and the waist, and I think what I love the most is these little bows right here at the top of the lace down each section here. You've got these cute little white bows. I just love how much detail they put into each one. I'm absolutely blown away by this Splendies shipment. You know, underneath every good outfit is a comfortable, cute pair of underwear, and they absolutely 100% have you covered. It's affordable, it's super easy, it comes straight to your door. And if you want to give Splendies a try, use the link down below and you can sign up for your very own Splendies shipment, and you will get your first month free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. Give them a try. You'll fall in love the way I did. So yes, everybody, thank you so much for joining me today, and I'm bagging this amazing underwear monthly subscription. If you don't mind, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.